In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Invoices, how to use branding themes to add your logo and brand your invoices. 5 minutes. Let's get started inside Xero. Head to the Xero login page, click login, and sign in with your email and password. If you're prompted for additional verification, complete that to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the top menu, open your organization menu by clicking your company name, then choose Settings. In the Settings area, look for Invoice Settings. This is where you control how your invoices look and behave. On the invoice settings page, select New Branding Theme. A branding theme is a reusable template that contains your logo, layout choices, and default messaging. Creating one ensures every invoice you send looks consistent and professional. In the new theme, give it a clear name so your team knows when to use it, then review the layout options. This is where you decide what information appears on the invoice, such as item descriptions, quantities, and tax details. You can also set defaults like payment terms, due dates, and footer notes. Keep your wording friendly and concise and make sure it aligns with your company's tone. If there's a preview option, use it as you go so you can confirm spacing and line breaks look clean. When you're happy, click Save to lock in those settings. Next, let's add your branding. Go back to the theme you just created, open Options, and choose Upload Email Logo. This logo is used in invoice emails and sometimes on the PDF, depending on your layout. Click Browse, pick your logo from your device, and confirm upload. For best results, use a high-quality image, ideally a PNG with a transparent background. Keep the file size reasonable so emails load quickly, and favor a horizontal version of your logo to fit neatly in headers. If your logo appears blurry, try a slightly larger image and let Xero scale it down rather than up. After the upload completes, double-check the preview to ensure your logo sits correctly and the colors and spacing feel on brand. If something looks off, you can re-upload and fine-tune until it's crisp and balanced. Save your changes once more so the theme is ready to use. That's it. You've created a polished branding theme, configured your invoice layout, and added your logo so every invoice reflects your brand. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing with Xero.